They actually have some pretty neat trading cards here, Disney trading cards. So have some of the classic Mickey Mouse black and white, and this goes on. It also shows you like what year and everything. So there are sets in here, I'm sure. Again, not sure the value of these, but if you guys know anything about these Disney trading cards, let me know in the comment section below. YouTube.com/rejects. Hey guys, Rejects here. Welcome to another episode of my eBay business. And today is a great day because I just finally got around to organizing the eBay space a little bit and we made a sale. So let me show you guys what I changed. All right, so as you can see, we got a couple more storage bins here and we finally moved that storage bin from that corner to this corner. So a lot of progress being made. And moved the listing station over here, and also going to be trying to keep track of my inventory on the notebook paper. And scrolling over here, we have all of these nice little storage bins, storage little cloth boxes, not sure what you really want to call them, but there's the huge line of them here with nothing really in it other than this one. This one's going to be my media one since it's going to be the largest. And finally have a drawer for all of the cassette tapes that I'm going to get, and this is going to be a drawer full of cards once I accumulate them from the bins, and hopefully be able to make like a lot of cards. And here of course is just the video games, and gonna need to figure out some way to organize this mess we have going on. And I'm gonna have this station dedicated to things I have not listed yet, so that's how we're gonna be a little bit more organized. And our clothes right there, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna be doing in terms of my business with Poshmark. Will I continue? I'm not too sure. Sales are really slow with Poshmark, so I had to figure out what I wanna do. And if I decide to stop with Poshmark, I might have to sell these two mannequins like locally. We'll see. But let's go to what I sold. All right, so we sold a lot of two PlayStation 2 controllers. These are the original DualShock ones that comes with the PlayStation. I got each of these for $1 each. Yeah, sold it for $19.99 and they paid for shipping. So pretty awesome sale there, decent amount of profit. So let's package up the controllers. All right, so as you guys saw in my garage sale video, we just picked this up this weekend and it looks like it just sold for $13 plus shipping. So just gonna throw this into a bubble mailer and send it on its way. About $10 profit right there. Another sale today, I sold this Mario Kart on the Wii. This was one of the games that I got in that bundle of games for 50 cents each. So sold this for $19.99. I actually had an offer from somebody for I think around $14, and I counter offered them $18. They declined, and then the very next day I got someone who paid full price for it. So $19.99, free ship, very good profit, and very easy to ship. Just gonna toss this in a poly mailer. So I just sold this copy of Punch Out on the Wii. I had it listed for $18.95 and I accepted a best offer of $16 with free shipping. So it should cost me around $3 to $4 to ship. Should be 4 to 8 ounces. So most likely I'll be listing it for 8 ounces just because it's pretty heavy and it's including the instruction book. I'm pretty sure I weighed this one and I think it is in the 8 ounces range. So awesome, made another sale. And I forgot to mention the buy cost for this was only 50 cents. So sweet stuff. All right guys, so I just found out I am really out of shape. I just went into the house, brought a couple of things to the eBay space. And today I actually met with a friend who inherited some stuff from somebody passing away. And they went through all the sentimental items. And at this point, anything that they still have left over, they wanted to try and sell. So I'm gonna get 35% of anything that I sell from them. So I'm gonna be going through a bunch of their items and seeing if there's anything of value. I'm just gonna show you guys that towards the end of the video, but let me show you guys what I just sold today. All right, so I just sold this copy of Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. I do believe I sold it for $7.99 and they paid shipping. So just gonna throw this in a poly bag and send it on its way. So yeah, I'm very excited to actually start building relationships with people in the community. Like I said, there's going to be a thrift shop opening down the road for me. It's going to be a rather large thrift shop, so that's coming later on this fall. So I'm hoping to do more frequent trips. And if you guys notice that the videos are going to be getting a little bit quicker, that's because this month I am studying for a huge exam for my work. So I'm going to be focusing a little bit less on YouTube and a little bit less on eBay for this month, because I'm planning on taking the exam probably mid to end of July. So once that's done, and hopefully if I pass, I'm going to be able to dedicate 100% of my time onto the eBay business, YouTube, and maybe a little bit of freelancing. So going to be slowing down a little bit just during the summer slowdown as well. So it's actually pretty perfect timing. And not sure how much I'll be sourcing because I just got a decent amount of inventory. And my prediction is when I finally take the exam, whether I pass or fail, I'm finally going to pay for a store subscription and then get this eBay business rolling. So let me show you guys what I got. So I brought some of the less valuable things into the eBay space because I didn't want to store everything in the house. So got a couple of random Pez dispensers. Not sure if these are of value at all. Not even sure what this is. So going to be going through some of this stuff a little bit later. Right now I am prioritizing the stuff that's in the house, which seems to be a little bit more valuable. So just putting this on the death pile for right now. Also got this huge bin of VHS tapes. He said that these Star Wars VHS tapes might be worth a little bit something, but I looked these up and the comps weren't too great. It was like a few dollars here and there, so might have to break the news to him there. And looking through, there's a couple of Disney VHS tapes at the bottom, so I might be able to lot those together. But, you know, might be able to make a few bucks here and there, but nothing big from these two boxes here. So let me show you guys what I have in the house. All right, so the remainder of the stuff that I got are in these containers, that bag, and that binder. So let me show you guys a little bit of what we have here. We have some of those McDonald's Furbies, so I'm sure I'll be selling this as a lot. Have to check up comps to see what those sell for. Not sure what those are gonna bring in just yet. And this thing is really neat. It is a McDonald's 101 Dalmatian set. Let's see here. All right. 101 Dalmatians, McDonald's brand. So as you can see, it opens up just like this, and it has all 101 Dalmatians to my knowledge. I mean, I should probably count this before I list it, obviously. And look at all these toys. So I think I looked up comps for this, and it was selling for around $60 to $70. So pretty neat set here. Now I'm just gonna put this back away, and already comes with a box to ship in, so I won't have to worry about that. All right, next in this bin is a bunch of model cars. So we have, what, 1958 Chevy Impala, I think that's how you pronounce it. So a bunch of different model cars that I'm gonna have to go through, and I'm sure this is gonna be worth some value in there. So looking forward to doing more research there. I'll close that back up for now. All right, moving over to this binder here. It actually has some pretty neat trading cards here, Disney trading cards. So have some of the classic Mickey Mouse black and white, and this goes on. It also shows you like what year and everything. So there are sets in here, I'm sure. Again, not sure the value of these, but if you guys know anything about these Disney trading cards, let me know in the comment section below. So have a whole binder full of those. Let's see here, and have more McDonald's toys. So 76ers, these are bobbleheads. Let's see who, Allen Iverson. So I think I looked up comps for these, and they're selling for, I think, around $15 to $20 each. I'm pretty sure the buyer was paying for shipping in there too. So I have 3 of those. So I'm not sure if they're all the same ones or if they're all going to be different, but yeah, that is going to be what I'm going to be listing in the near future. Again, I didn't have to pay anything for this inventory. I'm just going to be getting 35% of the profits. So it's a great deal. Works out for me. So that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed, feel free to leave a like. If you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.